Now you can see the CCG and we are asking, this is a VPD. So this is definitely a ventricular premature beat. Why? Because this premature beat has got very wide QRS and it looks differently from the sinus beat. We are asking you from which ventricle this VPD is coming from. For that I asked you to see V1. If the V1 is negative, the VPD is arising from right ventricle. If the V1 is positive, the VPD is positive in V1, it is arising from the left ventricle. Here the VPD is negative in V1, so it is likely arise from the right ventricle. So now we have shown you the configuration. We are looking at the configuration of the VPDs. The VPDs are wide and you have multiple notches. You can see the multiple notches there. So this configuration of the VPDs are suggestive of a malignant VPD because you can see very small multiple notches in the VPDs. You can see small and multiple notches. Small broad VPDs are malignant.